Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video we're gonna be tuning out the S5 here behind me, just like I tuned this guy's grill last night. We're gonna be tuning the S5. Yo, we're gonna be doing the stage 2 ECU TCU tune. All right, yo, so this is what we're gonna be tuning it with.
It just comes with like a little adapter and a USB cable you connect to your laptop.
Yeah, so we got an adapter right here and a USB cable that we're gonna be connecting to the laptop to tune this biatch. All right, yo, so what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna hook up? You gonna hook up the charger? All right, so get to work. I don't pay you for no reason, bro.
You don't pay me at all.
You're a child labor, bro. Child labor are free. Is the Tesla charged?
Not even know.
Oh. All right, guys, be careful when you connect things positive to. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, shit.
You clicked the wrong one?
Yeah.
Holy! Angelina Jolie! What are you doing? It's on.
It was off. It's off.
You sure? Okay, it is. Oh my God, you got super lucky. Otherwise, you'd have been fucked.
I wasn't paying attention.
All right, guys, just make sure, don't do what he did. Just make sure you collect the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, yo. Red on the red and the black on the black, bro. Jeez. And it's raining out here, man. The Canadian weather, yo. Cold, rainy ass weather. I just want to say, man, help us, support us. Do like the video, do subscribe. And I just want to say, smash that like button. We're out here in the cold Canadian weather making these videos for you. So please, once again, smash that like button and hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's get back to the tuning. All right, guys, now we're just going to see if the car starts because we sort of goof. Oh, bless. You got lucky. Oh, you hit the car up there, bro.
I time to do it again.
All right. Take two now. Okay, whatever. Plugging on. Red on the red, black on the black, you know? Oh, shit. Red on the red and black on the black. Yeah. All right, guys. After many years of research, what's your proposal out here?
Yeah, so you just gotta put the battery charger on. You need it for like flashing.
All right, so we put it up over here.
Yeah, we just put it for like 10 amps, 12 volts for like 30 minutes. It's probably gonna be shorter than that. Yeah, so you just need to do it while you're doing the flash.
And if one doesn't have it, what would happen?
Probably like brick your ECU if you don't charge it. That's all I know.
All right.
We're straight amateurs.
Yeah, yo, the guy that does this, yo, like he's out there in Dubai partying and shit, and we're out here like doing this, yo. I don't know, man. I don't know what you guys want me to do, bro. All I do is just buy and then fucking drive fast cars, and that's about it. I don't do shit. The other guys do everything for me. All right, guys, so we're getting it ready.
Yeah, so we're connecting the power link adapter to the OBD port.
Yeah, the IE. Just make sure the green light, as you see, it is flashing.
And the car is not on.
And the car is not on. Now we're booting up Samsung Galaxy. It's not an ad. Fuck Samsung.
Hashtag Samsung, please sponsor us.
What website?
Okay, so you gotta go on this website, tuning.performancewebsite.com. You download it, just go through the install. It'll tell you how to like install it.
That's it?
Yes.
That's so simple. That's so easy for amateurs like us, bro. Yeah, yo, we're amateurs to this, you know, ECU tuning and stuff. Like I said, my brother does it. He's out there partying in Dubai, and like we're out here trying to work our asses off. So
work in the corner a lot.
The thing about this tune is that you don't have to go to anybody, pay them a lot of money. This time we thought, you know what, we can do it ourselves. Everything comes pre-programmed, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much all you do is just follow the steps, and that's it. Now let's get started.
So the steps are pretty straightforward, and so you just have to hook up the battery to a charger. Battery's in the back, so you have to open up the back. Since it's not 2019 or newer, the hood doesn't have to be open. This is 2018. Connect the dongle.
We did.
On button.
We did.
Keys inside, so it's gonna detect everything. So this is both ECU and TCU.
All right, so we're gonna select stage.
Oh shit, stage 2.
Yeah,
right.
right
Oh my God,
there.
the scrolling is terrible. Okay, so we're gonna go to engine. We're gonna hit stage 2, which is at the bottom. Then we're gonna hit 91. Just gonna do 91 for now because I don't have
91
time.
octane. You have 91 octane in the car.
Yeah, and I don't have time to drain my fuel.
And he didn't think about, look, guys, look how stupid this guy is, bro. Like out here and like, you know, GTA's very finest, but unfortunately,
Oh, there's like
there's
different.
more.
There's different types.
Wait, do we have to pay for all that?
No, this is already covered, so I think I could just choose one.
Oh, race launch. Ooh.
I don't know which one to choose.
Street launch.
Aggressive launch, race launch.
Yeah, aggressive race launch looks proper still.
I don't know. Yeah, comment.
All right, guys, so we're amateurs in the tuning, you know. Here's the thing, if you fuck up, not us, all right? Like, we still know what we're doing. Even if we say we're amateurs, but you gotta keep them, we're still professionals, all right? We still know what we're doing, all right? Capiche? Okay? This guy's searching up what to do. Oh my God, bro, Dr. Google, bro.
Okay, yeah, so we're just gonna we're gonna start with the engine tune, which we have as stage 2. I'm gonna put 91 because I don't have 93 octane. I'm pretty sure you could switch it out.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah.
Just besides the credit, we gotta find out if we gotta pay. I hope not, since we paid a lot for this.
Yeah.
How much was this?
So both the ECU and TCU with the power link, I think it was around like 1,500.
USD?
Canadian.
Oh.
Yeah, USD.
Damn, that's a lot of money
Yeah.
for us. All right, so now we're gonna flash it.
Yeah, so just gonna tell you, so downpipe, air intake, intercooler. Yes, we have all that.
We did that, right? Yo, open up the hood. I just want to show them real quick. For guys, I just want to let you know we've done all the upgrades required for tuning. Oh my god, it's wet. Oh my god, yo, a waterfall. All right, yo, we got the catch can. We got the yo, what the fuck is that? The back intercooler? Oh yeah, fuck. All right, so we got the catch can, the cold air intake. We got the intercooler, cat right there, high flow cat, yep, and the inlet pipe. And what else?
Charge pipe.
The charge pipe. All right. Yeah, so make sure you guys do all that before you do the tuning. Yeah, look at this, bro. Canadian weather now. It's fucking sunny for all of a sudden, bro. It's fucking cold and rainy. Now it's sunny. So back to the flash.
Yeah, so we're gonna start it. Let's run this cable. Yeah, so just verify it.
Does it tell you what the difference is between 91 93?
It's like I think like 15, 20
horsepower?
Yeah.
Oh,
but
so
it doesn't really specify.
then we sure got the 93.
Yeah, I could change it after, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, we got the check engine light malfunction. It's writing it. It's working. All right, guys, so since it was taking a bit longer, we're changing the time to 60 minutes out there. All right, guys, so it's almost done. It's 97%. Oh, 98.
99.
All right, 99, finally.
Programming it now.
Oh, it's what? I thought I was programming it, but I guess not. Starting.
So it's like, I think it's specific steps.
Probably setting it up for it to be processed or flashed properly so we have no problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now it's doing it again.
And it's going a little bit quicker.
Yeah, quicker than before. I guess it took what, like about 20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 20, 30 minutes.
And once again, we are not paid by them. They could sponsor us if they like.
For future videos.
Yes.
So I just finished, so you get this screen says, congratulations, you've successfully flashed your car. Now go have some fun. Once you're ready for more power, check out our recommended products. If you have any modules flash, please make sure to start the car and turn it off and then back on before starting another flash.
Yeah, so that's really important what they're saying. Make sure that we turn off the car, start it, and then if you want to flash some other ones, we do the process. You know how you're talking about the TPMS?
Oh yeah, so basically, yeah, they said the TPMS light or the auto start stop malfunction light might come on. So after like a few cycles of turning it off and on again, a little bit of driving, it would go away. You like reset to normal.
All right, so I'm gonna see how it sounds. Make any difference? All right, so for the ECU, everything is gone as you see. Engine lights, everything was there.
Do like a little rev test with the ECU.
Jeez! Holy! Angelina Jolie! Crackles and pops and bangs!
Yeah, and the rev limiter is gone now too. So look,
Finally, bro, finally. All right, guys, so as you guys heard, the pops and bangs, this was just a test. This is still the first tune.
Yeah, so now we're just doing the transmission. You can also revert it back to stock as well if you ever want to go back to stock. You can change the octanes as well for free, so you don't have to like pay any extra credits or anything.
That's good.
Yes.
Considering what they charged us.
So we're gonna do the race launch because fuck it, why not? You're casually driving down the road and you need a launch and get away real quickly.
Exactly. When you're trying to cut off at like a grandma or something,
yeah,
you know,
slow
that's
drivers.
like going like, you know, like 10 on the speed limit, 20. You need that power. You gotta, you know, you need that power in your car, bro. Like on your foot, bro. That's
it may
what
not
it is.
be much, but it adds a little bit.
Exactly.
Every little bit adds.
Exactly. Like 400 plus horsepower, bro. That goes like in and on. Sometimes you want to run away from, you know, people.
Especially when you're racing like the Hondas, Honda Civics.
Exactly, Honda Civics, Toyota Corolla, Camry.
I don't know, any other shit boxes.
Hold up, yeah, exactly, some shit boxes. I was about to say even the Lexus GX is a shit box too, but still.
Even that shitty ass Corvette over there.
Run away from all that shit when you clap them. You want to make them feel like, you know, they're not worthy enough for you. They're a disgrace to their family and all that. That's what you need extra power for. Exactly. To make them feel like they don't belong.
Alright, so we're going to do this stage 2 race launch. It's going to flash. So now we have 0 credits because we've already just for the TCU.
I guess you gotta buy. I guess it's like credits, so you gotta buy the credits. So now we're getting lights again.
Oh shit!
Take this junk back to Audi, bro. No, take it back to Audi at Queensway, man. They might steal something.
Yeah, they stole my parts. Never go to Audi Queensway. Trash.
Exactly. You heard from the guy.
It's at 100 right now.
Yeah, it's at 100.
Just finishing. So this one was a lot quicker than the ECU. That one took like, I think like 20-30 minutes. This one's already done. Took like 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yeah. So what does it say now?
So it's like the same thing as the other message that we got. Yeah.
But yeah, so it's the same thing. It talks about the tire pressure, TPMS, and all that stuff. And now it's done.
We're gonna start the car. Gonna turn it off and then turn it back on again just in case.
I'll show you how it revs or how it fucking sounds. What the hell? What happened to pops and bangs?
I don't know. I think the valve might be closed. We can double check. Let me double check.
Yeah, guys, we got a bit of a problem here. We're not getting no pops and bangs, so we're gonna hook it up again and see what's going on. That's the only reason we got it, because we like pops and bangs.
Yeah, we don't even care about the speed or anything. Just...
Yeah, man. Exactly. No speed, nothing. You know, you want. We drive like grannies out here too. Yeah, we obey all the laws. Actually, we even drive less than the speed limit. That's how safe we are.
So it does show that it is both flashed. The transmission stage 2 and the ECU stage 2.
All right, guys. So now I'm gonna have him go on a run real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds from the outside, and then we're gonna try to see what's going on with the pop and bangs. For some reason, we're not getting that, so it's a possibility that we might have to reflash it, since we flashed ECU first and then the TCU after. So let me just show you how it sounds and stuff. Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! You're going way too fast. Men down here in slippers, yo, in a cold ass weather, yo. All right, so go. You guys hear that? Oh, the music to my ears, whistle and bangs. Jeez, guys, that sounds nice. We do another run. Holy shit, that's actually fucking nice. You can hear the pops and whistles.
You can kind of feel it too. Oh, jeez!
That's nice. We just killed 20 kilometers of gas, bro, in like less than a minute.
That's what happens when you're having fun, man.
Nah, bro, that's when you got like a lot of gas money to fucking kill.
What are you talking about? There's no gas money. What is gas money?
It's copyrighted. I got the plate to prove it too, yo. I copyright that shit. So whoever like gets that, yo, says that even word, they pay me money. You gotta pay me royalties. I fucking own the word gas money. Smoke that school bus.
Yeah, we lost track of the bus.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck! The tires literally spun.
But it does sound nicer than before, like the pops and bangs, yeah.
And it's way more aggressive. The ships are like way more cleaner than before too.
All right, guys, there you have it. Two noobs, you can say. We flashed the car. You know,
Professionally amateurs.
yeah, professionally amateurs. It's a profession. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Before I end the video, I just want to say we will be doing a 93 octane tune in a different video. I hope you guys do like the video. Please smash the like button, do comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out.